you ever feel like people don't listen to you, even when you're right? It's not because you lack ideas, it's because your execution kills your presence. Here are 5 silent habits destroying your ability to articulate and how to fix them immediately. Overusing filler words. Problem, words like like, you know, dilute your message. Why? They erode confidence and disrupt flow. Fix, pause instead. Use silence to emphasize points. Being vague. Problem, using vague phrases, kind of, somewhat, a little bit, weaken statements. Why? It leaves room for misunderstanding and shows lack of conviction. Fix, be precise. Use strong language and define terms clearly. Poor structure. Problem, thoughts scattered, jumping from idea to idea. Why? Listeners lose track, message gets lost. Fix, use structure, intro arrow key points, arrow summary. Weak body language, tone. Problem, slouch posture, monotone voice, no eye contact. Why? It undermines what you say. Sit, stand straight, vary tone, use gestures, maintain presence. Rushing speech. Problem, talking too fast, skipping pauses. Why? It causes confusion and drains attention. Fix, slow down, breathe, insert micropauses. These 5 habits are silent killers of clarity, but once you stop them, your message will resonate, your voice will command, your presence will grow. Which behavior do you battle with? Type it in the comments and subscribe for more deep psychology tips from EirenMind.